Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to default all messages notifications on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First click here, now click settings, and here as you see you will find overview. Click on it, and here as you see you will find this default notification settings. Now just click all messages, and that's it. It will be turned on, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. It's helpful for you. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.